me. The train don't run round here no more. Poor, poor, pitiful me. Poor, poor, pitiful me. Poor, poor, pitiful me. Oh, these boys won't let me be. Lord, have mercy on me. Woe, woe is me. Well, I met a man down in Hollywood. I ain't naming names. He really worked me over good, just like Jesse James. Yes, he really worked me over good. He was a credit to his gender. He put me through some changes, Lord, sort of like a wearing blender. Poor, poor, pitiful me. Poor, poor, pitiful me. Oh, these boys won't let me be. Lord, have mercy on me. Woe, woe is me. It's Jimmy. Hello. He's out the back. Thanks for joining me. He's too shy to come on camera. We'll do some 70s songs. Well, I met a boy in the Ukuleles down in Yokohama. He picked me up and he threw me down. He said, please don't hurt me, mama. Poor, poor, pitiful me. Poor, poor, pitiful me. Oh, these boys won't let me be. Lord, have mercy on me. Woe, woe is me. Poor, poor, poor me. Poor, poor, pitiful me. Poor, poor, poor me. Poor, poor, pitiful me. Poor, poor, poor me. Poor, poor, pitiful me. Warren Zevon, that's it. Wrote this song. Linda Ronstadt sang the hell out of it.